The Sydney Railway reached Penrith in 1862. Now a path beyond the mountains was due. John Whitton, an engineer, a zigzag railway was his idea. To get a train onto the mountaintop would definitely need a viaduct. Stonemason William Watkins and his men would build the railway from start to end. 2 years would pass, ZigZag was built, starting 1863 and ending 1865. In 1867 saw the first train to cross. It carried steel, it carried steam, and roads and cars. Now doggy walkers, cycle riders, and Lycra runners cross the Knapsack Viaduct. Sandstone bricks rising 37 meters high, 7 arches rising grand, stretching road across the land. Built to zigzag trains up the mountains, tough terrain. 100 years, the Knapsack Viaduct has seen it all. 100 more shall still be standing tall. From Emmy Plains to Glenbrook's Peak, the zigzag trains would get up the steep. The zigzag closed in 1913. Now trains through tunnels cut the mountains past. The viaduct sat idly in the hills, standing tall and sitting still. The road was laid in 1926 for cars and trucks to use the viaduct. More traffic meant in 1939 the time came to make the viaduct wider. The viaduct was closed a final time. In 1993 the last car went by. A motorway now gets cars up the hill. The viaduct was now silent and still. It carried steel, it carried steam, and roads and cars. Now doggy walkers, cycle riders, and Lycra runners cross the Knapsack Viaduct. Sandstone bricks rising 37 meters high, 7 arches rising grand, stretching road across the land. Built to zigzag trains up the mountains, tough terrain. 100 years, the Knapsack Viaduct has seen it all. 100 more shall still be standing tall. Now the viaduct still stands, silent, hidden in the mountains' leafy land. Take your dog, your bike, a jog or walk across this mighty structure still standing tall. Not the Romans that built this one, but the men of the down under sun. The